Guys, welcome back to my channel. That is Desam tutorials. I really appreciate anytime you come here to watch my video and learn something new. Today we'll be looking at how to add a place on a Google map. Yes, I mean how you are able to add a place of your choice, either a market, a school, a church, any place on earth within your vicinity. You like to add it to the Google map. That's what you're come to do today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. For those who have subscribed and have not clicked on the notification bell, please again, please click on the notification bell so that anytime you release a video, you will get a notification. Without wasting my time, please let's go straight into the video. The first thing you need to do is you need to locate your map from your phone. So that is my map for my phone, and that is how the sign looks like. If you are using the old version, I therefore urge you to go to Google Play and update it. So you click on your map. You therefore wait for it to load. You see beneath there are other optional tools there. You see explore, go, save, contribute, and inbox. So what you are going to click is we're going to click on contribute. That is the next option I'm talking about. So you click on contribute. Then so this is my page I'm using to add a lot of places on Google Map. So over here you see an option, edit map, add place, write review, and add photos. So you click on add place. Now this is the interface using your phone. So they'll ask you, is this your business? Add your business to Google for free. Add a place you know about. If this place is added to maps, it will appear publicly. So all you need to do is that you need to identify the place that you want to add to the Google map so that it will appear publicly. So you have to type in the name, so any name that you want. So maybe you want to use Desam shop, and I'll choose a category. So what shop am I on? Is it a food and a drink shop? Is it shopping mall? So maybe I want to choose a shopping. Over here, based on the category you selected, you will select any of these ones that best suit what you are doing. So over here, I'm going to select computer shop. Once I click on the computer shop, it appears at the category. The next thing you need to do is that you need to click on add address. You can either click on add address, or you can either click on over here for the map to open so that you can select the place that you want to add to the Google map. So you can just type in the address over here, or when you can either click on the map below so that the map will open for you to add the place that you want to add. So you see there are a lot of buildings here, so I may decide to click on this building. Once I select that building, you see that the name has been selected over here. It means that it is at Quadaso. Then I'll click on OK. Once I click on OK, the map coordinate will be inserted. When you finish, you just have to fill in. You add your phone, the hours, your site, and the opening date and photos. You add everything. When you finish, you click on go. Then you wait for it to send. That is all. So they just said that you have a 15 points. You have earned a point for helping others. Just like that. It is not difficult. Guys, thank you very much for taking some time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We shall meet again. Bye.